What's going on, everybody? It's Jay here once again at Plant-Based Up in Here. Today I'm going a different route here. We're at work here at the restaurant and I'm just doing a little bit of experimenting because I have been seeing these TikTok videos with their smash tacos using burgers. So I'm doing our own version. This is of course 100% plant-based and we are using Beyond because that's what we have on hand. So basically it's kind of a recipe but kind of not, because I'm just going to run you through what we did here. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm pressing all of these burgers into our tortillas just like so, and we're just going to go about it in a very spontaneous way here. So I got my all of my burgers flattened onto my tortillas just like this, as you can see. And now I have my pan going, it's nice and hot, oil, and everything's going back down with the meat side down, of course. So we're just going to cook that, and these are going to cook fairly fast because it is so thin. So we're just going to let it go like that for a while, and during that time I'm going to get a sauce ready. This is going to be like a teriyaki lime kind of sauce. Now if you want to, you can also add some ginger and apple or shredded pear or whatever. So it's going to be kind of like a bulgogi sauce, and you put it in there, and as soon as it hits here, it's going to caramelize from all of those wonderful sugars, and you're going to get these nice finish on the other side of the tortillas as well. So here they are, they're done. I have a slaw going down first. This is just basically a cabbage and carrot slaw, which is with a bit of vegan mayo, with a bit of sriracha, and of course some kimchi juice to make a sort of a kimchi slaw. So after that, I gotta put some chogochujang on top. This is just a base sauce made with gochujang, as well as some sesame oil, a touch of sugar, mirin, and water, which we made. And if you want the recipe for this, of course, you can watch later episodes, because we're going to be going into a bunch of different sauces as well. So I'm just going to top that with a bit of chopped scallions here. We got some cilantro, and that's pretty much it. So they look great, and if you want to dress them up even more, we can finish them off with a few sesame seeds, and then we'll be good to go. So here we are with the sesame seeds. You can see here, everything's wonderful, and here they are plated up. So we're gonna serve them with a bit of fresh lime, just like that. And they're looking beautiful. I'm gonna squeeze some of that lime on top, and we're gonna try them, because right now they're looking so good. So this was actually my lunch one day, and I got inspired from watching all those TikTok videos, so I had to make it for myself to see how easy it actually is to do. So as you can see here, you got that beautiful finish on the outside of the tortillas from all of that caramelized sugar and bulgogi sauce, which flavors the meat as well. And here we go. Here's the taste, and it is awesome. So try it out for yourself. Take this recipe, not recipe, but just kind of, hopefully you can get inspired from watching this and you make your own. Let me know how it goes in the comments down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.